Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. My name is Himanshi Sharma. Kindly subscribe this channel and give your support. Today we will learn and understand Class 4 English poem Noses. In this video we will see explanation of the poem and difficult words. Link of animated and musical poem is given in the description box. So let's get started. Students, do you know how many sense organs do we have? Think. We have 5 sense organs. Tongue for tasting, eyes for seeing things, ears for hearing, skin for touching and feeling, and nose for smelling things, sneezing and breathing. Nose is a wonderful organ of our body. That's why I love my nose. Now let's read and understand the poem Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with the 2 little holes where the breathing goes. The little girl in the poem is looking at the mirror. What is the little girl looking at in the mirror? She is looking at her nose. She is saying that whenever she looks at her nose in the mirror, she finds it really funny because it grows in a strange way. It comes out further than the rest of the face. All of the nose is clearly visible with its 2 little holes. These 2 holes are nostrils, which are used by us for taking in air to our lungs and giving it out too. Now let's see the next stanza. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there. In this stanza, the little girl is saying that whenever she looks in the mirror, she finds her nose between chin and head. Where on the face is your nose located, friends? Everybody's nose is located in between chin and forehead. Now she is comparing her nose with a handle. She is saying that her nose is sticking out like a handle fixed on the door. Now let's see the last stanza of the poem. If you ever want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. The poetess is saying that whenever she wants to laugh out loud at something and couldn't find any reason, in that case she looks at her nose. Yes, she finds her nose to be laughed about. She finds her nose really funny and strange the way it grows. Friends, nose is an important organ of our body. Without nose, our face will not look good. It is our personal air conditioning system. So we should love our nose. Now let's see difficult words one by one. First word is mirror. Meaning is the reflecting glass which reflects the image. I have a sentence for you. I always look at myself in the mirror before going to school. Now let's see the next word. Funniest. Funniest is the 3rd degree of funny. Funny means something which causes laughter, which is strange and difficult to explain. Let's see the word in the sentence. My brother is the funniest person in our family. Next word is breathing. See this picture where lungs are performing their function. Breathing means taking in air in the lungs and giving it out. Sentence will be, we can't live without breathing. Let's see the next word. Next word is sticking out, which means something comes out further than the rest of a surface. The sentence is, our nose sticks out like a handle. Here comes the last word, giggle. Giggle means to laugh in a silly way. And the sentence is, while watching a comedy movie, I started giggling. Friends, at the end, I want to say that all of us have different faces and unique features. Each face is unique. Let our hearts be pure and thoughts be honest. If you liked the video, then please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.